What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got an exciting day ahead. Ever since I test drove the Street Fighter V4R, a lot of people like that video. So now I'm riding a bunch of other bikes pretty much. And today is going to be a little different. Remember how I told you that I was choosing between, like, for example, I'm going to tuck in and talk just so you guys can hear me better. But remember how I used to tell you guys that I'm choosing in between an S1000RR, preferably an M1000RR, an Aprilia RS V4 1100 factory, or the Honda 888 5-blade SP. Well, this is exactly what we're doing today. We're going to check out an Aprilia RS V4 1100 factory. It's literally like almost brand new. It's not the new model, it's the older model, which I actually like better than the newer look. I don't know, the newer ones look too much like the RS 660, which is like, you know, pretty much a 600. So I'm not a big fan of the new design, and the new like wings look kind of funny from the front. So I'm actually more interested in the older model. I like the new front LEDs and all that stuff, but it's not enough for me to, like, I like the sides and everything else about the older model is better. It's a 2019 model with only like 230 miles or something like that, so literally like brand new. So we're going there to check it out, and I might test ride it, so we'll see how that's gonna go, but it should be a lot of fun. For now, just wanted to update you guys, and now we're gonna mob to get to the location. Enjoy the ride. It is so bumpy over here. We're not trying to go flying off the bridge. I like it when the can't talk. I like it when the rear tail just goes a little loose. Hold on, it should be somewhere around here. Am I lost? It's my friend's bike. She works here. She told me about this bike. Oh, such a nice day out. What is up? How are you doing? Yeah, I'll go this way. I think I've been here like a very, very long time ago when I had my 600. Ooh, not gonna lie, that looks pretty good. Pretty dang good. Oh, trust me, I noticed that. You know me. Wait, does it have an exhaust on it? Because I see a baffle. I think it comes with this, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I'm pretty sure, because it's like their like top model. Yeah, like the new S1Ks come with the Acura. The Acura, pretty much. I found out from G's bike, I was pissed. Yeah. What do you mean? And I compared to, I think MSRP is like 25-ish. And actually, I don't want to put this in YouTube, so we'll talk about that in a little bit, because I have a lot of surprises. I don't want to spoil it for anyone. Yeah, I would love to start on.
Look at the dash. It's pretty sick, actually. I mean, not as cool as the BMW one, but
it's cool enough. No, that's actually really cool. Ooh.
Yeah, right?
Ooh, bougie.
Do the honors.
Oh, thank you. Do it. You just press and this. It needs an exhaust, but that's okay. It needs an exhaust, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. At least it comes with an acro.
Arguably, the RS-V4s have the sexiest tails.
I agree. Next to the V4, I agree.
It's like the, I don't know.
Yeah. I know they're one of the most comfortable because I've been on, not the 1100, but I've been on one of them. Yeah. I've ridden the regular RS-V4, not the 1100. And it was so, I mean, you can tell, like, look at this seat versus that seat.
It's not even
literally
like any type of passenger.
Yeah,
It's like that,
I mean, all of my,
like
yeah, all my bikes are like that. All my bikes are like that, but for whatever reason they have pegs. I guess you can make it work somehow. I don't know how, but somehow.
I would just take it off.
I hear a chopper. Are they after me? So I checked out the Aprilia. It's pretty nice. As I said, it is one of the 3 main bikes that I would like to get. Look at these 2 bikes with SC Project. I think this is one of the nicest looking SC Project exhaust personally. But yeah, so I looked at the Aprilia. As I said, because the Aprilia 1100 factory is their like top model. Oh, they're getting real close. But yeah, long story short, I don't know, let me know what you guys think about the Aprilia 1100 factory. I think the BMW S1000RR is an amazing bike, but I personally would want the M1000RR. That's the only reason why, even though the S1000RR is going to be the M package, that is not like a dream bike of mine. I like getting the top model of whatever brand it is, like, you know, well, the V4R, the Ducatis are a little different because I have the Superleggera, which I personally can't justify. But whoa, is there a fire? Yeah, look at that. That looks crazy. Maybe that's what the choppers are for, or where they're going. There's another chopper right there. That's intense. But yeah, I want to get you guys' opinion, like, about the bike and what you guys think about it. Unfortunately, I didn't test ride it because it's a stock bike. I've already ridden, I haven't ridden the 1100 factory, but I've ridden an RS-V4, and I don't know, I just wasn't like that interested in test riding it, to be honest. It did come with the acro, as you guys saw, so I was like, whatever. I was gonna do it like for the channel, but I feel like because it's stock and all of that, there is kind of like no point. It's just not gonna feel as fast or anything. But it's a really cool bike, like clean dash. It's 2019, brand new pretty much. I don't know, like there's no M1000RR right now on the market for a decent price. I know I can get an S1000RR pretty much like whenever, you know, it's not like a rare bike. Whenever I'm ready, I can get that bike. But the Aprilia RS-V4 1100 factory is a very rare bike. Like I looked online and there's literally, this is the only one for sale where I live right now, and I'm talking about like the whole state. So I haven't checked like the entire US, but I'm not willing to travel again to get that bike because it's not like a main dream bike. It's like I would like it in my garage, but my 2 dream bikes, as I've said many times, are the V4R and the H2. Those are the only 2 bikes where I was willing to like go to a different state or like over 5 hours to get them. All the other bikes, not so much. I would like to have them, but not as much as like the bikes I already have. So this is the only one around here. It's a pretty decent offer. The bike is $25,000 MSRP, and with dealership fees and tax and stuff like that, that bike is probably around $28,000. And I'm not talking about like markups as in fees, but like DMV fees and, you know, the basic stuff. That bike is about $28,000, and they give it to me, they would give it to me out the door for $23,000. So $5,000 discount from pretty much a brand new bike. I think it's a good deal. So I don't know, I'm not sure. I'm like in between this and the S1000RR, because the S1000RR, it's going to be about $29,000 for the M package, or yeah, the S1000RR M package is going to be a minimum of, I can't talk over this dry clutch, you guys have no idea how loud it is. It's going to be at least $25,000. Actually, because I want to get the carbon wheels, I'm probably going to be like $27,000, which is a little, I don't know, in comparison to the buying the top line of Aprilia and just an M package. I think the Aprilia is a better offer. I don't know, what do you guys think? I want you guys' opinion about that bike. So I'm not really sure, but let me know in the comments if I should get the BMW S1000RR M package or the Aprilia RS-V4 1100 factory. Again, as I said, I'm in between because I would like
the BMW for the channel. I know a lot of you guys want to see that bike, but it's also way more common. The Aprilia is way more rare. The 1100 factory, I can't find as much. It's kind of like the M1000, you know what I mean? And also, it's way more unique in my opinion. So, I don't know. But I would definitely like you guys' opinion. So, let me know in the comments which bike you guys think you'd like to see on the channel. Which bike you think is the right decision for now. Because eventually, I'm probably going to get the M1000RR. That's my goal. But for now, I don't know if I should just get an S1000 until I find an M1000, or I don't know. It's all confusing and I don't know what to do. So that's why I'm asking for you guys' opinion. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like, subscribe, share, and support. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and ride safe.